Welcome back to Trination X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm here with, well, it's like part Sephora haul and part Sephora like Luxe box, I think is what it's called. So,
Don't cut yourself.
I know.
You're supposed to cut away from yourself. We should have a song about safety.
This one I'll cut like that way. Okay.
And it's super late in my opinion. It's really not, but it is in my opinion.
And I purposely like left off lipstick on my makeup because I wanted to try one of the things I ordered. I wanted to see like how much do I like it type of thing. So, these are I'm sure just like samples that I don't even know
Like
what
a
that
card sample, like.
And then, yeah, I always just pick like perfumes or whatever. I don't really even care about showing those. Okay.
Now for the good stuff.
Yeah, to start with the Luxe box. So,
Don't tell me that's it. That's so tiny. I think of Luxe, I think of Luxe.
No,
like,
it's not like a deluxe like size. It's just that whatever's in it is supposed to be a little bit nicer, I think.
We shall
So-
see, mon ami.
Oh, what a weird, interesting.
I know.
Not weird, interesting. Sorry,
It looks
interesting.
like the stuff you would wear
Interesting
like, as a vest or
as a
something.
jacket or something.
Yeah.
And there's a little like thing of, let's see.
Does this gives you like a million different cards? And I feel like it's like Smarts.
But it's, yeah, it's when I
it's
started, I
Luxe.
got a long time ago. It was like one of our first boxes I think I got because I remember getting these in like, you know, anyway. So it just tells you
And
like
I
the
don't
different
remember,
products
but-
and like, you know, just
Time to rest
tells
on
you.
your florals. That's funny.
Yeah,
Instead of
so anyway,
morals.
so that I always like to
That's
get to
cute.
the products quickly, obviously. So first thing I am pulling out is Tatcha's the water cream. I've been really wanting to try that. So yay. Okay, good fit. I'm not trying it long enough. Sorry. I get too hyper on what I get. So I'm like, I just quickly go through it. Okay. Tom Ford's Black Orchid. Yay. Because I know his perfumes are quite expensive. And so I'd like to get the samples because at least like they're smaller sizes. I say it, but anyway. It's not something I'll buy myself yet. Todd Harper's Rejuvenating Serum.
Did you know what was coming in the box, or you weren't sure?
I usually just order these things and I just buy them and I don't even know necessarily what's coming in them. I just buy them really quick so I can show them.
We're doing back-to-back videos, by the way, so if you see us in the same stuff. Oh, my phone.
Her phone
Sorry.
is ringing, vibrating. Christopher Robin's Regenerating Mask with Rare Prickly Pear Seed Oil. I don't know. I think I can hopefully use this. I know if it was like a scrubbing scalp type of thing, I don't like to use those. I can't get them to work in my hair. Anyway, but hopefully that's just like a conditioner or something. Hourglass's Extreme Lash Mascara. Never tried that before, I don't think, yet. Why am I doing weird voices? I don't know. It's late. And then, is it Givenchy, as I say it? Huh. Rouge Interdit Vinyl? Vinyl? I don't know. I'm sure it's a lipstick, obviously, right? I'm guessing.
It should be.
And this is not the lipstick I want to try on. So I think that's it inside this. I'm like, is it like reversible?
I know, I feel like.
I'm all, maybe it is.
That would be cool, at least. Use the lining. Oh, if you can't see the lining, then.
I don't know if it was reversible, but I just turned it into purple from silver. So
It like matches your outfit. It looks like you'd be able to keep things cold in that though, or something.
I know, like it's insulated.
It's so weird,
Keep
but
your products cold for the winter. No. Anyways, but that was it for as far as Luxe box goes. But Sephora Luxe. I want to say it was either like 20 or 25. I'll have to probably look up the price. I don't know exactly off the top of my head. Okay, but as far as like the haul goes, I bought you know, is it Bite Beauty? I feel like saying Bite Beauty, is that right? Bite,
think
4 little
so.
bites. Just a little, well, it shows on both sides, I guess. They're little
that's
set.
cute. I feel like I saw that somewhere.
Well, I have the one from last year right over there.
Well, not like that. I mean, the set I saw from somewhere.
Okay. Anyway, so there's that. And then I bought Charlotte Tilbury's Matte Revolution in Very Victoria.
Very or berry?
Very. I think it's Very. Now you got me looking. Yeah, Very. Very.
Oh, okay.
Victoria. And then also Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk. That's the one I'm going to try on because I bought the lip liner, I think,
Can I
to
like
go
open
with it.
that for you while you're doing the other things or something? Like get it out for you?
Yeah, I know because it's
Just
taking
to-
forever. This
Our
is a
videos are supposed
little.
to be fast.
So Laura Mercier, is that how you say it?
I
don't know.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think.
This is little, just like little, you know, bonus thing.
I
where
used
you
all of
code
mine that
you-
were those.
you-
Like all of mine. Here's the packaging. I mean, if
I
actually
think this one's
lipstick is
supposed to have
pretty.
leave a shimmer though, I think. But I might be
Oh,
wrong.
well,
I might
it's
be wrong. I don't know.
translucent.
Yeah, I don't know. And then I got Dior's Hypnotic Matte. And then
I'm gonna say that's the shape of it, so it's very pointed, but in a square
and then
kind of way.
Pat McGrath Labs Venus and Furs. Isn't that such cute packaging?
That is. I don't know
That's
what that
cute.
is. Is that lipstick too, or
Yeah, these are
Oh.
all of these are lipsticks except for this. So
lip craze?
and then this is the lip pencil to go with.
Are you using
that,
lip pencil
so,
too? Oh, I
yeah.
should have opened that first. If I had but known.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna try it on and to see what it looks
It's like light color. Like
Oh,
nude.
let's see how it looks. I grabbed a mirror.
But-
Let's see. You can entertain him. Talk.
Well, it's a pretty color. It looks like it's nude. I'm jealous because she always buys things that I cannot yet. But one day, I did apply for a new job just to let you guys know what's going on with me. And I'm still at my old job, which is fine. But I need to be able to move somewhere and not be everybody's slave or whatever you want to call it. So I don't know if it's like.
I don't know if I'm pale enough for this to even show up on.
I know
It
sometimes
almost
it's-
doesn't show. Yeah.
It's like a nude. That's what I was trying to say. It's like very light. It's not as light as some colors I've seen, but it's kind of light. It's pretty though. Looks creamy. So what are you guys up to? We appreciate all our subscribers and followers and everything.
Yeah, it's just like a. I'm just saying my lip's almost darker than is what I'm trying to say.
I feel like your natural. Yeah, I feel like it's just looks like your natural lips.
That's what it looks like. Okay. Anyway,
I'm sorry.
moving on. Anyway,
It's
that
all
was it.
berries now. That's like my favorite is berries. But
That was
what's
it for
your
this. I
favorite?
think.
Berries, pink,
Or
lipstick.
lipsticks, either red or probably pink.
Or pink. Oh, okay. But that was it for this one. Give us a thumbs up if it was fast enough still for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Be part of our future giveaways. We're doing another one at 100 subscribers. So tell your friends to watch and just stay subscribed. That was it for this video. We'll see you in our next one.
Take care.
Bye.